Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new video. This video is about the kurta set haul I bought from Myntra. So let's begin the video. The first kurta is from the brand Ishin. This is a green and pink floral embroidered pleated pure cotton kurta with roses. It doesn't have the dupatta, only the top and the bottom. This kurta is a pure cotton kurta and it has round neck and 3/4 sleeves. The length of the kurta is cuff length, and also there is a embroidered design done near the neck and at the end of the kurta. It has tassels at both sides and you can tie these tassels and make fit to your body size. The trouser has a elastic waistband. It is tight, you can wear it. This kurta is a very pretty kurta. You can wear it to the office or college. You can see how much flare it has. I have paired it with a mirror silver earring because it has silver embroidery. The embroidery done is also very good. Overall, it is a very good kurta for office or college. Let's move on to the next kurta. This kurta is from the brand Anouk. This kurta is a yellow motif printed straight kurta with palazzos. The neck is round with a V cut. The sleeves are 3/4 sleeves. The length of the kurta is cuff length. This is a pure cotton kurta. Coming to the bottom, it is a solid palazzo with a elastic waistband. Tag the image from the website so you people can have clear image about the design. This kurta is also a very good choice for office or college wear. If you are buying this kurta, please buy next size because after wash it shrinks. So buy a next size. I have paired it with a silver red earring. This is a very good kurta set for office wear or college wear. So next move on to the next kurta. This kurta is from the brand Ishin. It is a off-white printed kurta with roses. The shape of the kurta is Anarkali and it has round neck and 3/4 sleeves. The length of the kurta is cuff length. The material of the kurta is a cotton blend. The bottom has the floral printed design with elastic waistband. It has some work going on near the neck and at the end of the sleeves and at the end of the kurta. It has tassels at the sides of the kurta. This kurta is very simple and looks elegant for the office wear and also for the college wear. You can see there is a cut work done near the neck to match the trouser given. The flare of this kurta is very good as you can see in this video. So you can buy this kurta if you want. They have also done the same floral design at the end of the sleeves to match the bottom. The tassels are also big and pretty. Overall, this kurta set is a very good choice for the office wear. Now let's move on to the next kurta set. This kurta is from the brand Ishin. This kurta is a sea green embroidered Anarkali kurta with the trousers and dupatta. It is a cotton kurta and the neck of the kurta is round neck and 3/4 sleeves. The length of the kurta is cuff length. You can see the beautiful gotapatti work done all over the kurta and also near the neck and also on the dupatta. The dupatta is very pretty and it has a good length. As you can see, the gotapatti work looks really beautiful. This is a very beautiful kurta set you can wear for the office or for the college. I hope you liked all the four kurta sets shown in this video. Links for all the kurta sets will be given in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.